Want to know the secrets of investing in the stock market? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we'll delve into the wisdom found in Tim Morris's book, How to Invest in the Stock Market, the complete guide for beginners. We'll explore 5 key takeaways that have the potential to transform your investing game. From understanding the basics to the power of patience, we're going to break it down for you. Get ready to uncover the mysteries of the stock market and start your successful investment journey. First things first, understanding the basics of the stock market is crucial. Let's dive into our first key takeaway from Tim Morris's book. Morris emphasizes that a solid foundation in stock market fundamentals is vital. Imagine the stock market as a bustling marketplace. It operates on the principle of supply and demand. If a stock is in high demand, its price will rise. If there's more supply than demand, the price will fall. Next, let's talk about market orders and limit orders. A market order is when you buy or sell a stock at the best available price. On the other hand, a limit order allows you to buy or sell a stock at a specified price. This command gives you more control over the price you pay or receive. By understanding these basic concepts, you arm yourself with the knowledge to navigate the stock market with confidence. With a firm grasp of the basics, you're already one step ahead in your investment journey. Next, we delve into the importance of research. It's the second key takeaway from Tim Morris's enlightening book. Before investing in any stock, it's crucial to thoroughly research the company, look into its performance, understand its financial health, and assess the potential for future growth. This isn't about predicting the future, but about making informed decisions based on solid evidence. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better your investment decisions will be. No investment discussion would be complete without mentioning diversification and risk management. It's like assembling a winning football team. You wouldn't want to fill your team with only goalkeepers, would you? In the same way, an investment portfolio is stronger with a mix of different assets. This is what we call diversification. It's a way to spread risk across various sectors, industries, and asset types. It's like spreading your eggs across multiple baskets. Now let's talk about risk management. It's the art of making informed decisions to mitigate potential losses. The first step is to understand your risk tolerance. Are you a daredevil, ready to take on high-risk stocks for potentially high returns? Or are you more conservative, preferring steady and secure investments? Once you've assessed your risk tolerance, you can tailor your investment strategy accordingly. Remember, investing isn't about eliminating risk, but managing it. By diversifying your portfolio and managing risk, you're not just investing, you're investing wisely. Lastly, but certainly not least, we have the power of patience. The fifth takeaway from Tim Morris's book, How to Invest in the Stock Market, the Complete Guide for Beginners, places a strong emphasis on the virtue of patience in stock market investing. This isn't about quick wins or overnight success, it's about the slow and steady growth that comes from long-term investments. Here's the thing. The stock market is not a lottery, it's an investment platform. It's not about getting lucky, but about making calculated, informed decisions and then waiting. Often the greatest returns come to those who wait. This is because over time the market tends to rise and the value of good investments typically grow. So if you're thinking about jumping ship at the first sign of a downturn, remember, it's the patient investor who often reaps the most benefits. Patience is indeed a virtue, especially when it comes to investing. Remember, the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. So there you have it, the 5 key takeaways from How to Invest in the Stock Market, the Complete Guide for Beginners. The secrets of successful investing, understanding the basics, the importance of research, diversification, and patience. With these strategies in your arsenal, you're well equipped to start your successful investment journey. Happy investing! Please like and subscribe for more book takeaways and summaries. Thank you so much for watching.